All right, so today we did something simple. We just improved the package scanning and the device scanning of our application so that now it returns iOS and Android, and it does it more efficiently than it did before. It makes calls less frequently. And then also we improved all of the data storage. We changed it from a local store to a indexed DB instead, just because our data was starting to get super large and starting to not have like the need for, or it had the need for a bigger structured storage place. So databases are way better to store that. Hopefully it's going to lead to some optimizations with the code because there is some lag on the front end. I removed some gradients as well because gradients tend to have rendering issues from what I've read, but that could be wrong. I don't know for certain, but we're making improvements. We're moving forward. We're getting shit done.